For 4 months, I was stuck. My business income was flatlined between $3,000 and $3,500 a month. I was working 50 hours a week, totally stressed out and overwhelmed. Then, over the next 60 days, I made 5 specific changes. My income jumped from $3,200 to over $10,000 a month. Same service, same market, just a completely different strategy. In this video, I'm breaking down all 5 of those changes with the exact numbers, the timeline, and why they worked, so you can do it too. Let's look at where I was stuck at that $3,000 plateau. My income was averaging about $3,200 a month. This came from 8 different clients, each paying anywhere from $200 to $800 for custom projects. This meant all different deliverables, which were all super time-consuming. I was working 50 hours a week, which brought my effective hourly rate down to just $16 an hour. The problem was clear. I couldn't scale. I was maxed out on hours, couldn't take on more clients, and was terrified to raise my rates because I thought I'd lose everyone. I was trading time for money with zero leverage. 5 things had to change: raising my rates, firing bad clients, productizing my services, automating my workflows, and hiring help. Let's start with the first one. Change number 1 was raising my rates by 2.5 times. Before, I was charging around $35 an hour, or $300 to $800 per project. I jumped that up to $85 an hour, or $1,200 to $2,500 per project. My biggest fear was that if I raised my rates, all my clients would leave and I'd make $0. But here's what really happened. I raised rates on all new clients immediately. For my existing clients, I gave them a 30-day notice of a 20% increase. I did lose 2 of my 8 clients, but I added 3 new clients at the much higher rate. The net result: more clients and double the revenue. Let's look at the math. Month 1 at old rates, 8 clients at $400 average was $3,200. Month 2 with the new rates, I lost 2 low-paying clients, but my 6 remaining clients now paid $480 each. That's $2,880. Then I added 3 new clients at an average of $1,800 each, which is $5,400, the total $8,280. That's a 2.6 times increase in 1 month. You might be surprised how few clients you actually lose. Change number 2. I fired my nightmare clients. Before, I'd work with anyone who would pay me. Afterwards, I fired the bottom 25% of my client list. Let me describe my 2 worst clients. Client A paid me $250 a project, but it took 8 hours of work. That's about $31 an hour. Plus, they demanded unlimited revisions and were always slow to pay. Client B paid $400, but with all the scope creep, it took 12 hours, $33 an hour. And they brought constant emergencies and weekend demands. I kept them because I thought, hey, $650 a month is better than nothing. But the reality was, they took up 20 hours of my week that 40% of my time and caused 80% of my stress. They were preventing me from finding better clients. So, I fired them. I sent a simple email explaining that my business was evolving and I was focusing on larger projects. And I even recommended another provider. The reaction was surprisingly positive. One even gave me a referral. Firing them freed up 20 hours a week. I lost that $650 in monthly revenue, but I immediately replaced it with 1 new client at $2,400 a month, which only required 15 hours of my time. The net result? I was up $1,750 a month, working 5 fewer hours, and my stress plummeted. Fire your worst clients. You'll make space for better ones. Change number 3 was to productize my services. Before, every project was custom. A client would say, I need some copy, and I'd spend days going back and forth just to figure out a scope and a price. It was inefficient and unpredictable. After, I created 3 clear packages. Package 1 was a landing page for $1,800. Package 2 was an email sequence for $2,400. And package 3 was a complete funnel for $4,500. Each package had clear deliverables, set pricing, and a fixed timeline. The benefits were immediate. They were easier to sell, no more custom quotes. Delivery was faster because I created repeatable processes and templates. My average project price went from $600 to $2,400. And I started attracting better clients who knew exactly what they wanted. My first month with packages, I sold over $16,000 worth of work. Because the process was so refined, my effective hourly rate jumped to over $250 an hour. That's the power of packaging your services. You start charging for value, not for your time. Change number 4 was automating everything possible. My old client onboarding process was a nightmare of manual tasks. It took 4 to 5 hours per client just to get them started, from the discovery call to the proposal, contract, and invoicing. I replaced all of that with an automated system. Now, a client books a call through Calendly. My proposal is a template in Honeybook that takes 3 minutes to fill out. The contract is signed electronically, and the invoice is paid through Stripe, which then triggers an automated welcome email. My total time per client dropped from 5 hours to just 45 minutes. I use tools like Calendly, Honeybook, Stripe, and Zapier. The total cost is about $100 a month, but it saves me nearly 30 hours of work. That's a 24x return on my investment. I also automated social media scheduling, expense tracking, and client feedback surveys. In total, I saved about 40 hours a month. Invest a little time up front to automate repetitive tasks, and you will save hundreds of hours down the road. Change number 5 was hiring strategic help. Before, I did absolutely everything myself. After, I hired 2 people. First, a video editor for $600 a month. They edit my YouTube videos, which saves me about 12 hours a week. This was critical because YouTube brings in over half of my clients, and I was about to quit posting because I had no time. That $600 investment brings in over $6,000 a month in client work. It's a 10x ROI. Second, I hired a virtual assistant for $400 a month. They handle my social media scheduling, initial client inquiries, and admin tasks, saving me another 10 hours a week. This freed me up to focus only on high-value work. The total cost for my team is $1,000 a month, but it frees up 88 hours of my time, which is worth over $7,000. Plus, I got my weekends back. The lesson is simple. Hire people to buy back your time so you can focus on what you do best. So let's look at the timeline. In weeks 1 and 2, I planned my new rates and packages and set up the automations. In weeks 3 and 4, I rolled out the changes and started looking for my team. By weeks 5 and 6, I had my editor and VA hired. In weeks 7 and 8, I fired the bad clients and signed 2 new ones at the higher rates. My net income had already almost doubled. By month 3, all 5 changes were fully implemented. My income hit $10,400. After my $1,000 in expenses, my net was $9,400. So let's compare. Before, I was at $3,200 a month, working 50 hours a week, stressed out. After, I was netting $9,400 a month, working just 30 hours a week with great clients and low stress. My revenue went up over 3 times, while my hours worked dropped by 40%. So what's next on the journey from $10,000 to $20,000 a month? First, I'll raise my rates again by about 20%. Second, I'll add passive income streams like digital templates and an online course. Third, I'll scale my team by hiring another VA and a copywriter to handle overflow. Fourth, I'll focus on upselling existing clients with monthly retainers for more predictable, recurring revenue. And finally, I'll create a premium $10,000 plus VIP package. I'm aiming to hit $20,000 a month in the next 6 to 9 months. To recap, the 5 changes that took me from $3,000 to over $10,000 were raising my rates, firing bad clients, productizing my services, automating my workflows, and hiring a team. The key insight here is that you don't scale by working more hours. You scale by charging more, working with better clients, leveraging systems, and delegating. I'm now making over $10,000 a month, working 30 hours a week, and it's absolutely possible for you too. You just have to make the changes. Start with one thing this week. Let me know in the comments which of these 5 changes you're going to make first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.